Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And somebody was watching somebody else's video, and when they did this right here, their lines turned to round end caps, and when they do it, they turn to what they should turn as default. This is pretty cool. I don't know that I'd want it all the time, but with nothing selected, hit your pen tool, double click, go right here to round end caps. We're going to go ahead and set the width to thick, and then I'm going to draw a circle. Control D, hold down the shift key and bring it in. Control D. We'll borrow one of these triangles. Take the virtual segment delete key, and you swipe through there and you get round end caps. Now, even if you change it now, these lines were created with round end caps. So we need to, with nothing selected, double click on the pen tool, graphic, go square end caps, say OK, and then we're going to draw those circles again. Control D, hold down the shift, bring it in, Control D. We'll go ahead and borrow this triangle again. We'll take and swap through there with the virtual segment delete key, and we get square end caps. That's default. But if you had to do a lot of these or a particular logo, that would be pretty cool, because no matter what you did to it, it would be round end caps. They're hidden right now behind those other ones. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.